One unwashed hand, one contaminated surface, one overlooked ingredient. That's all it takes to turn a beautiful bake into a serious health risk. From kneading dough to decorating cakes, bakers work with ingredients that can spoil, surfaces that can harbor bacteria, and equipment that must stay spotless. One hygiene slip can ruin a batch, or worse, harm a customer. That's why this course covers everything a baker needs to stay safe and professional. You'll explore the foundations of baking, understand your ingredients, learn to use equipment correctly, and master the hygiene standards that keep your kitchen and your customers safe. From bread and pastries to macarons and celebration cakes, every module is built around real baking practice. Whether you're baking at home, running your own business, or working in a professional kitchen, this course gives you the knowledge and confidence to bake safely every single time. Enroll today and take the first step towards becoming a safer, smarter, more skilled baker. Your kitchen, your standards, your success.